Hello, dear parents and viewers. Your well-wisher, your host Rajshri. The second wave of COVID 19 in India has left parents looking for information on protecting their children and the steps to take if their child has symptoms of COVID 19 or tests positive. Anxiety among parents across the country over the speculation that an impending third wave of COVID 19 may impact kids more than the last two waves. Here is good news. Before that, those who haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon too, so that we can update you with the latest information in the world of children during pandemic. So good news is the Indian Academy of Pediatrics IAP has asked parents not to be scared, as there is no scientific evidence that proves that the third wave would predominantly impact children. Dr. V.K. Paul, one of the key members of the PM's COVID management team, has said that there is no evidence to prove that children will be affected in the COVID third wave. He said adults should take jabs to shield children. We still need to be cautious and continue to follow COVID-19 appropriate behaviors strictly. How does COVID-19 affect children? According to the UNICEF, over 60 to 70% of children who get COVID-19 are asymptomatic. Of the children that are symptomatic, only around 1 to 2% need ICU treatment. Clinical symptoms among children and adolescents, along with the common symptoms of adults, include overfeeding, rash, red or pink eyes, swollen lips, tongue, hands or feet, gastrointestinal problems like diarrhea or vomiting. Which children are at risk of getting severe illness from COVID-19? Children with obesity, diabetes, asthma or chronic lung diseases, sickle cell diseases or immunosuppression or heart or kidney or liver might also be at increased risk for several severe illness from COVID-19. Mask is must. Directorate of General Health Services DGHS India and WHO recommends that children from 6 to 11 years who are in general good health can wear a non-medical or fabric mask. And children with underlying health conditions should wear a medical mask. WHO also recommends that a parent or other guardian should be within direct line of sight of the child to supervise the safe use of the mask. Routine immunization. It can be continued 2 weeks after the child is asymptomatic. If a child needs some higher medication such as high-dose steroids, which suppresses the components of patient immunity, immunization needs to be deferred for 3 months after the medication. Today itself, DGHS India has issued guidelines. It has advised steroids should be avoided in children. To assess the physical ability of the children, it has also been advised to take a walk of 6 minutes test to avoid the use of remdesivir in the guideline. So stay vigilant, stay at home, stay safe and stay connected for more updates. Bye bye.